This tutorial is for the Arcs and Sectors section or module of Construction Calc Pro, an app available for iOS and Android. So let's go and get right into it and click on Arcs and Sectors under the Geometry section. That brings us into here. It allows us to calculate all kinds of chords and segments and areas, and mostly to do with circles. How this module works is you enter dimensions, and as you enter the dimensions, the app will calculate what it can calculate, and it'll eventually solve everything. Most of these don't have any extra results, but the chords section actually has a bunch of extra results down at the bottom. Areas and such that it can calculate based on our input values. These values are green because they're not editable. You can click on them and you'll see that these are calculated results. We can't directly modify these results. The black areas are values that we can input. So first we'll go to the circles just to show how a simple calculation is done here. We have a circle and we have our diameter, circumference, radius, and area. Let's just enter a diameter. When we click on any length in c-calc, it brings us to the calculator where we can enter a value in feet and inches easily, or meters, centimeters easily. We can recall history or memories, and we can do calculations. So it's very versatile. So we're going to enter a 9-foot circle diameter, but let's do a calculation just to show you that that's possible. So we'll go 4 feet plus 5 feet, which will give us 9 feet. And when we hit the back button on our phone, that will enter that value into diameter, and you can see that it's actually solved the rest for us. So it's given us a radius of 4'6". It's calculated our circumference and the area of our circle. So let's go ahead and reset to zero everything up. And we'll go to the more complicated chords section just to show you how that works. So let's scroll down. Now let's put that same diameter in again. So we'll go 9 feet. We hit the back button on our phone to get out of the calculator to let it know that we're done. It's entered the diameter 9 feet and it's calculated our radius at the same time. But you'll see it's not really calculated anything else at this point. It doesn't have enough information yet. So we'll say we've measured our segment rise 1 to 3 feet. So let's go to segment rise 1. Enter a value of 3 feet. Hit the back button on our phone. And you can see now that it has enough information that it's calculated our segment rise 2, our chord length, our sector angle, our segment area, our arc length, our circumference, and our sector area. So this is a completed calculation. And that's about all there is to this module. You simply select the section that's appropriate to what you're doing, enter the values you know, and the calculator will calculate the rest. Thanks for watching.